Hello students, good morning. In my last video of the chapter 2, the dog found a new master himself. The part 1 I explained the short summary of the chapter of the paragraph 1 2 3 that the dog was boring and he looking for a food and being frightened of the animals who are very stronger than him. Let I explain paragraph number 3 to 5. What happens? Let I explain. First of all, I read and then after I explain. Paragraph number 1 to 3 we explained that he started, then after he walked and he met one kinsman like a wolf, and then give a proposal to take up a service to him. And then what happens in the next part? Let I explain chapter paragraph number 4, chapter 2, part 2 of the chapter. The dog found himself a new master. They walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, masters? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me? Here you can see, child, the meaning of the word darted and quickly is given in the page. The darted, that means moved. Darted, that means moved, shift somewhere else. And quickly, that means suddenly. Came over you, that means affected you. Came over you, that means affected you. In the fourth paragraph, I read that what happens, let I see. Fourth paragraph, that when he started his journey, both of the wolf and the dog, he started his journey. In the middle of the way, he met one bear. Suddenly, when he saw the bear, the wolf lifted his nose and darted here and there and he trying to hide himself into the bushes. He crept his body and tried to hide himself into the bushes. And dog was seeing all these actions, and then he was much surprised because of this type of actions of the wolf. And he suddenly asked to the wolf, "Masters, what are you doing this? Why are you doing this type of, and why are you hiding yourself?" And suddenly when the dog asked this type of silly questions, the masters became angry. The wolf became angry. That, can't you see? Have you not seen all these things? Can't you see that the bear came out? Bear came near us. If they so both of us, they might eat up both of us, you and me. So hide yourself too. This type of reply gave wolf to the dog. But dog was really surprised because wolf is a master, and he thought that the wolf is a very stronger than all other animals. That's why he was surprised, because of wolf also frightened of the bear. That's why he asked this type of questions. Let I read the fifth paragraph. In the fifth paragraph, seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up a service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily. As in my part 1, as I told you, that the dog was looking for here and then, he was very frightened because he thought that the other animals are very stronger than him. So that's why he found a new master, and that's why he take up service to the wolf. But as you know that the wolf also frightened because of bear. Wolf also frightened of bear. That's why he suddenly got an idea, and he decided that if the wolf was frightened to the bear, then why not I am take up service to the bear. So that's why he gave a proposal to the bear that I want to take up a service of you. Dog said to the bear that, "Oh my master," and he suddenly left the master of wolf, because he know that the wolf also frightened to the bears. That means bear is a stronger than the wolf, and he decided that I left my master, my old master wolf, and now I gave a service. I take up a service of the bear. So he gave a proposal, and bear was agree, because he got a servant. So why not he agree? So he agreed suddenly that, okay, ready, I am fine. If you want to become my servant, then why I am not agree? I am agree, and he accept this proposal. So okay students, I explain the part 2, the paragraph 4th and 5th of the chapter 2. in my video, and I will explain the rest of the part of the lesson in my part 3. I hope you very understand this story, and it is a very interesting story. You can read briefly at home. Thank you, students. Bye, students.